We'll guide you through how to move shapes in Krita. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because moving shapes is a basic but essential skill in Krita, especially for beginners who are still learning the interface. Open Krita and begin by clicking File, then choosing Open or New to start a project. Create or import your shape so it appears on the canvas. Next, select the layer that contains the shape to ensure you are editing the correct element. Go to the left toolbar and select the Move tool. Click on the shape and drag it to a new position, then release the mouse to place it. If nothing moves, check the layer selection and make sure the correct layer is active. Also confirm the lock icon is off so movement is allowed. Try clicking directly on the object to ensure it is selected. For shape layers, select the Select Shapes tool instead. Click on the vector shape and then drag to move it. Use bounding box handles if needed for adjustments. You can also use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move the object pixel by pixel. Hold Shift plus an arrow key for bigger movement steps. To move multiple shapes, hold Shift and select multiple objects, then drag them together. You can also use the Transform tool, which allows you to move, scale, and rotate the object. Drag inside the box to move it freely. Check the tool options if movement is restricted, and make sure the correct tool mode is active. Finally, save your project and continue editing as needed. To keep your workflow smooth, zoom in or out using the zoom controls so you can position shapes more accurately. If snapping is enabled, be aware that objects may align automatically to guides or grids, which can help or limit movement depending on your needs. When working with complex designs, organize layers clearly by renaming them so you can quickly identify which shape you are moving. If you accidentally move the wrong object, simply undo the action and try again with the correct layer selected. Practicing these steps will help you become faster and more precise when moving shapes in Krita for any type of project and improve your efficiency.